Hello everyone, this is Fadi. In this tutorial we are going to introduce a small tutorial or small course for beginners for Revit 2025. In this tutorial we will start by introducing the recent file screen that we will face when open Revit, or when Revit opened. We will have this screen, which is the recent file screen. As you see, we have here models, which are the projects and the recent projects that we worked on. And by default, when you install your Revit, you will have samples from the Autodesk company that include architecture, structure, electrical, HVAC, and the plumbing for the mechanical models. And also we have families here. In Revit, generally we have two kinds of files that we work on, which are the models and the families. Families like the blocks in other 3D projects or other 3D programs, and in Revit, families can enter the projects, but models or the projects can't enter the family environment. In the left side here, you can see also that we have the opportunity to open or work on a new project or model, and also we have the opportunity to open or create a new family in Revit. And here we have some options like getting started and to join the community forum from Autodesk, and online courses, online information documents, and how to learn Revit. Also, we have the opportunity now to enter any project directly, a quick access to any project by clicking on any project or recent project you want or desire to work on. So if I click on this project, I will open the project directly without going to models and open from the local machine and go to the location of the file. So once we open Revit, we now will introduce what is the user interface of this program. As you see here, we have tabs such as architectural, structural, steel, and so on. And also these tabs have ribbons like wall, door, window. For example, the architecture on the structure have also their own ribbons, and also these ribbons are categorized according to their function. For example, these are categorized under the build, general ribbons, and the railing, ramp, stair are categorized under circulation, and so on. So in Revit, these are called ribbons. Also, we have something else that is called ribbon context. Once we, for example, select this component, which is the roof, Revit automatically going here for the modify and open what is connected to this component, such as here edit footprint of this component. So once we click on any component of Revit in Revit, we will have something that is called a ribbon context. So this is the user interface here. For the above part of the Revit, we have tabs, and every tab have its own ribbons, and these ribbons are categorized under some category here. And also we have something called ribbon context, which related to any component we selected, and these are different from component to component in the modify tab. Here we can see the properties of any component we select. Now I am not selecting anything, so this is the property of the 3D view that we are on. we can change and modify anything here, and we will talk about that later. But if I select a component, it will give the properties of the selected component in Revit. Under here you can see the project browser of this project. So in the project browser you can see expand and collapse these components that came by default for the templates you are working on. First we have the plans, which are the floor plans that is related to architectural plans, and also we have structural plans if you want to work the structural and the architectural at the same model. We have the ceiling plans, the 3D views, elevations, and also when you create a section it will also automatically create a new category for sections. We have legends, schedules, quantities, sheets, families, groups, and so on. So here is the project browser that you can operate your navigation from a view to view from here. So this is enough for this video. We have talked about the recent file screen and also the ribbons, tabs, and the ribbons context.